Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the two of the stickers that my son got, and then one poster or one squirrel. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and then see what is in here. So the score is $8, and then the stickers are $6 each. So here's the score. It's a nice paper. So this one was done by a custom drawing. So I'm not sure if there's a copyright from the original artwork or not. So, and then here are the stickers. So there's like a clear film. Then you peel this off and slap it on your car or your windows or your wall, wherever you want to post this at, or stick it on. And then here's another character. Yeah, so $6 is quite expensive. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.